In this video, you will learn how to clear your Instagram search history directly and very easily, and this is a quick method in 2022. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and let's start the video. So if you want to clear your Instagram search history, you have to open your Instagram application. So it is loaded. Now I will go to the explore page. You can see that in my app the explore page is next to the home page in the bottom side. So I will click on it. You can search wherever your search button is, so you have to click on this. Now I will click on the search bar and wait for it to the recent searches are coming up. So these are the recent searches. You can see that below the search bar you can see that all of the accounts or all of the hashtags I have searched on Instagram are showing up on my this account. So if I click on the see all button, so this is directly gone to the search history tab where my all search history is stored. Now if I want to clear any specific search which I have done on my Instagram account, I have to click the cross icon in front of that specific search. For example, I want to clear the Hayat Abad search hashtag, so I will click the cross button in front of it, and so this is discarded. Now if I want to clear all the searches done on my Instagram search page, so I have to click on the clear all, and it is asking me to clear search history. So I will click on the clear all, and all of my search history is clear. So this is a simple process and quick process of clearing your Instagram search history. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below, and make sure to follow us on Instagram. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.